Dhananjay Govinda Birari, Standard 10th B, Subject Science Project, Guidance by Angelina Xavier Ma'am. School is St. Xavier High School Manmad, created by Dhananjay Govinda Birari. Project: make a PowerPoint presentation about the construction and uses of binocular. Aim: to study the construction and uses of binoculars, apparatus, mobile, textbook, internet, some softwares of mobile, images from Google. Procedure: collect the information about binoculars from textbook and internet. Type this information on slide with the help of KineMaster app and present it. So, first we will see what is binoculars. Binocular is an optical instrument with a lens for each eye used for viewing distant objects. Some information about binoculars. First binocular-like device was invented by Hans Lippershey in 1608 and used by Galileo Galilei. The first real binocular telescope was created by J.P. Lemire in 1825. We can see distant objects by zooming the binoculars. Construction of binoculars. Modern binoculars consist of two barrel chambers with an objective lens, eyepiece, and a pair of prisms inside. The prisms reflect and lengthen the light, while the objective lenses enhance and magnify images due to stereoscopic vision. What is prisms? Flat surface of binocular that reflects the light rays and create image is called as prisms. Working of binoculars. A binocular with shortened telescopic tubes in each of which light rays entering through the objective lenses are reflected by two prisms before passing through the eyepiece, where finally an erect virtual image is formed. Uses of binoculars. Binoculars are versatile tools that provide enlarged images of distant objects used in a variety of settings. Binoculars are used in hiking, wildlife viewing, birding, hunting, stargazing, used in golf, used in sports events, used in theatre, used in entomology, used in military. Invention of binoculars has made important contribution in our life. Inference: we studied the construction and uses of binoculars and also understood the concept of prisms. Reference: first, SSC Board Book of 10th. Second, images by Google. Third, instrumental song Coffin Dance. Fourth, KineMaster app used for this. Thanks for watching.